Hi, I am Preggymatic, the kangaroo. We will now see a simple recipe for the 20th week of pregnancy in this video. In the 20th week, it is important to take foods that are rich in fiber and antioxidants. Sweet potato, they're high in fiber and antioxidants, which protect your body from free radical damage and promote a healthy gut and brain. Sweet potato wedges. Ingredients: sweet potato, 1/4 kilogram, chili flakes 1 teaspoon, pepper powder, half a teaspoon, salt to taste, chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon, ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon, oil, for shallow fry. Sweet potato wedges, for the 20th week. Let us see how to make this. First, begin by cutting the sweet potato into wedges. Boil it until they become tender. Filter water and transfer into a bowl. Add all the other ingredients and mix well. Now, heat a pan with oil. Once heated, arrange wedges one by one. Roast them on both sides. Serve hot and enjoy. Sweet potato wedges. Sweet potatoes are a good source of complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy that can help pregnancy-related fatigue. It contains folate, vitamin B9, which is essential for preventing neural tube defects. And then, hope you liked the 20th week pregnancy recipe video from Preggymatic. Preggymatic, nurturing pregnancy and beyond.